Now what is coplanar circles? Coplanar circles are the circles which touch, two circles which touch each other. Either they'll touch externally at one common point, or they'll touch internally at one common point. Now these are the three collinear points. X, Y, Z are collinear points. So draw a circle with center X. So draw this circle which I have shown in red color with center X and radius XY. Then again draw a circle with center Z and radius YZ. And this is a blue color, which is a circle which is drawn with center Z. Both the circle will intersect at a common point Y. Now draw a line which is passing through point Y and it is perpendicular to XZ. That particular line is known as a tangent. This tangent is common to both the circle. Now if the circles are touching externally, what is the distance between the two center, that is from X to Z? X is the center of this circle and Z is the center of this circle. So what is the distance between the two circles? That is equal to the sum of their radii, that is this radius plus this radius is equal to XZ. So that is XZ is equal to what? XY plus YZ. So when the circles are touching externally, the distance between the two center is equal to what? This radius plus this radius, means adding both the radius. Similarly, when the circles are touching internally, here also the X, Y, Z are collinear points. So draw a circle with point Z has a center, and this is a red circle which is a center, and radius is what? YZ. Again draw another circle with center X, the blue circle which I have drawn with center X, and radius of that circle is how much? XY. So XY is the radius of the circle. Now through this point Y, so they both the circle intersect at a common point Y. Now from the Y, draw a line which is passing through point Y and it is perpendicular to YZ. So what you get? Perpendicular to segment YZ. So this is a common tangent of these two circles. So if the circles are touching externally, they have a common tangent. If the circles are touching internally, then also they have a common tangent, and the point of contact of both the circle is what? Y. Here also it is Y. So if the circles are touching internally, what will be the distance between the two center? This is the distance between the two center, that is this one. Only this much. Here the distance between the two center was this. So the distance between the two center, if the circle is intersecting each other, that means XZ will be equal to what? YZ minus XY. So this is the difference, this is the distance between two centers. Over here you have to take difference between the two radius, and here you have to add the sum of the radii. Now theorem of touching circle. What is the theorem? If the two circles touch each other, whether externally or internally, then the point of contact lie on the line joining the center. So this is a line which joins the center. So the point of contact also lies on that particular segment, that is AB. So this point C. So we have to show that the line which is joining the two centers and the point of contact all are collinear points. So point C lies on the segment which is joining the two centers. Here also point C is lying on the segment AB which is joining the two centers. So that is, we have to show that point A, C, B are collinear point. The theorem proof and all, it is given on page number 58. So given C is the center of the circle, C is the point of contact. Now center C is the point of contact of the circles with center A and center B. Point C, we have to show what? Point C lies on line AB. So let line L be the common tangent. So let line L be the common tangent. Line L be the common tangent of the two circles at point C. So this tangent is passing through the point of contact of the two circles, that is through the point C. So line L is perpendicular to AC and line L is also perpendicular to BC. So line L is perpendicular to AC and line L is perpendicular to seg BC. What is the reason? Tangent theorem. That means segment AC is perpendicular to line L That is the other way around. First we said line L is perpendicular to segment AC. Now we are saying segment AC is perpendicular to line L and segment BC is also perpendicular to line L. Through C, that is through C, only one perpendicular to line L can be drawn. We can't draw many lines, only one line can be drawn through the point of contact C. So points A, C, B are collinear points. So all the 3 points, that is A, C, B, are collinear points.